We interrupt this program to activate the
Scan it.
for the emergency alert system, Washington, D.C. metropolitan operational area because of
Posted on September 8, 2024.
a local weather emergency. The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for Flash County, southeastern Fauquier County, Prince William County, North Central Stafford County, and Manassas Park until 12:30 a.m. Doppler radar, and rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across that warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches of rain in 30 minutes. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned areas. Look out for flash flooding caused by
severe thunderstorms. Some locations that'll experience the flash flooding
include
Posted on September 6, 2024. September 7, 2024. Posted on September 8, 2024. Posted on September 10, 2024. Here we go, guys. Bye.
Dale City, Montclair, Manassas, Lake Ridge, Manassas Park, Midland, Calverton, Somerville, and Casanova. The National Weather Service issuing that flash flood warning for Fairfax County, southeastern Fauquier County, Prince William County, North Central Stafford County, and the city of Manassas Park in Northern Virginia until 12:30 a.m. We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for the Washington, D.C. metropolitan operational area because of
Posted on September 10, 2024.
a local weather emergency. We've got a flash flood warning for southeastern D.C., also central Flash County, this now until 6 p.m. Again,
Posted on September 6, 2024. September 7, 2024. Posted on September 8, 2024. Posted on September 10, 2024. Here we go, guys. Bye.
flash flood warning for southeastern D.C., also central Prince George's County, that until 6 p.m. this evening. We will keep you up to date as this develops. Stay with us.
We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for the Washington, D.C. metropolitan operational area because of
Posted on September 10, 2024.
a local weather emergency.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for west central Montgomery County in Maryland and northeastern Loudoun County in Virginia. This is until 7 o'clock this evening. At 6:33 this evening, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Purcellville or near Leesburg, moving east at 20 miles an hour. This is radar-indicated rotation. Now, if you're in the direct path of a tornado touchdown, flying debris will be dangerous to anyone caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, siding, and windows may happen. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near
Posted on September 6, 2024. September 7, 2024. Posted on September 8, 2024. Posted on September 10, 2024. Here we go, guys. Bye.
Leesburg in just a few minutes at 6:40. Other locations impacted by this thunderstorm include Paonian Springs and Bealsville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from debris. Once again, the National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for west central Montgomery County in Maryland and northeastern Loudoun County in northern Virginia until 7 o'clock this evening.